Hi everyone, I'm Sunaina. Today I'm not going to put an educational video but a fun video. Today let's make a slime with my friend Neha.
Hi.
This is a slime Neha made and this is the slime I made. This is smooth but this is too soft and nice. Okay, let's start making.
The things are needed.
We need a bowl,
We need a stick.
we need some food colors,
We need some glue.
we need a super slime mix,
And we need a slime activator.
we need, if you want you can also add magnetic powder. If you want this powder, if you go to the sand, if you put the magnet, the iron particles will be attracting to it. You can see these are the iron particles.
And we need some glitters.
If you want you can also add some foam balls.
And it is the color foam wall. See, we can. 1 minute. This color and orange or
We
black.
have white too.
Yes.
Now we need a bowl. Let's add glue. If you want you can also add little glue or more glue. We are adding little glue. We are going to make little slime. It's enough.
It's enough.
So you can see the glue. Now let's add the slime super mix. If you don't have slime super mix, you can add some detergent. Let's mix it. It should be getting little bit thick. Should mix it a while, and you can add some food colors. We are going to add some yellow color. You should just add 2 drops or less than 5 drops. Actually, it will be getting more colorful. Oh, see, now it's getting yellow color. Now it's like beautiful yellow in color. You should mix it a while and it should be getting little bit dark color. Now it has become little bit dark yellow. I'm going to add the red glitter glue.
Open it.
Now we have added the glitters. It was so tough to pull the glitters out from the tin. Now let's mix. Now let's add the balls. Now we have added the big balls too. Now let's add the magnetic powder. Let's mix the magnetic powder. Oh, it's getting a little bit dark.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so nice.
Yes.
The beautiful parrots are near with us. Now let's add the activator.
We want to pour one drop only.
Yes, if you put a lot, it will be getting so smooth and it will be not nice.
I'm putting more.
See, it's getting stretchy a bit.
Yeah, you can see I'm taking. And
Now it's getting a little bit more stretchy
Yeah.
and the slime is getting ready. Oh, nice. It's turning green in color. Should stir this for a period of time. It will be taking some time.
you can see I'm taking.
We are going to make a challenge now. The challenge is Neha is going to say that the slime will not stick. I'm going to say that the slime will stick
Yeah,
because
you can
it's so sticky. It will be taking some time to get the slime. Oh, now it's getting ready. If you don't want to, if you don't want the slime to stick in your hand, add some activator in your hand.
And
And the slime will be not sticking. The slime is not sticking. The Neha's the winner. The slime is so soft. I have not made the slime like this ever. It's too soft. It's so stretchy too.
Yes, we can do it.
Oh, nice. Oh, big bubble is going to come. This is the slime we made. It's so stretchy and so soft. Very nice slime. And now Neha is going to show how to blow a bubble in the slime. Oh, it's made a hole. Okay, now let's do the stretching test.
Yeah.
Oh, see, it's so stretchy.
You can see.
It's too going too long.
It is so stretchy, right?
Some noise is coming on this because of the
Really?
bubbles and the balls. I think you can hear it.
You can see.
The slime is so satisfying.
Yes, the slime is so satisfying.
I think you all like this video and try to do this slime at your home. You can also make this slime with the help of glue. I'll tell you again. We need glue and you need to put some. If you don't have activator, you can put some detergent and then you should mix it a little bit hard and it will be getting some slimy structure. But it's tough when you're doing with detergent. If you add some activator, it's easy. And for good looking purpose, you can add some glitter,
And,
food
food
colors
colors.
and magnetic. And sometimes it might be if you add more magnetic powder in the slime will be sticking to an iron particle. Now let's see it's sticking or not. This is the iron screw. Let us try the slime is sticking or not.
Yeah. It is
Oh,
sticky.
It's not sticking. Oh no. It got stick with this metal. I think it's sticking or not. I don't know.
Please stick your hands. You can see.
It's not sticking.
Subscribe to Smarty Serena.
Thank
you. Bye.